how to choose a specific users who can see your story on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to choose a specific users to see your story. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger and now click on your profile, scroll down and click on privacy. You have the second before the last story audience, click on it and choose the last option, which is custom. And now you can choose people from your Facebook friends and click on done. And this is it. This is how you choose a specific users to see your story. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.